And in today's video, XCM-50 Rode X. It's a gigantic, my English. QR code. Pause the video if you want to scan it. Jeez, it is huge. Now let's open it. Bam. Ta-da! Oh. Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh wow. USB Type-C cable, long one. Same like with 100 model. Yeah. Remember the XCM-100, my previous video? Oh, look at that stand. Wow, that is a quality stand. Woo. What? It's so tiny. let me just compare it to us. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm not using the wireless go anymore. Now, like you can hear, audio is pretty terrible. Now let me connect that beautiful mic. USB Type-C. And it should sound way better now. What do you think? What do you think? How it sounds? If I do popping sound, it's going to pop in this video. Now that is the question. This is straight to the smartphone. Of course, we are going to connect it to our PC in a matter of seconds. But what if I spin that microphone? How do I sound? 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 Sound. How do I sound? Can you sing to it? Sound. Let's connect to a real PC. Alrighty then, let's check the audio experience on the desktop. Now you can hear me through this fantastic red Rode X. It's also red microphone. And we have 91% gain. Let's on Windows. Let's put it on 94. The app still doesn't work correctly like it should work. Well, it is what it is. Now, if you want to compare it to a Yeti, I have a Yeti on the side. Let me just quickly change that microphone to our microphone Yeti. And Yeti, is it working? Okay, now it's working from a Yeti experience. Yeti sound. All right. So there's Yeti, and let me show you something which is not present in the Rode. If you get the background music, you not hear anything, is it? Exactly. With something louder, maybe you will hear it. You don't. All right. Now let me switch to Rode. Play the music. You don't hear anything. Apply, and now you are able to hear that background noise, isn't it? Think you will hear it. That's for my TV. Okay, why my TV doesn't want to? All right, that's my TV. It doesn't matter. Okay, my smart TV is getting crazy. Anyway, you hear it, isn't it? Let me go back for the again for the Yeti experience. Now you won't be able to hear it like you can hear. You don't hear it. But that's the difference between Yeti and Rode. That's just the first impression. That's what I noticed immediately. Let's go back for the Rode. That's because this video is all about Rode. And now we are back. And I have two lines on the Rode, one line on the Yeti. So this must be mono and this mic is stereo. So that's also a difference. Yeti is way cheaper at today's price. So way cheaper. Even the X version on Black Friday was a good deal. This is maybe not twice more expensive, but it is a bit expensive. I like the app. I mean those shortcuts for the sounds.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Let me just put a little bit of audio in there.
Surprise, motherfucker. Oh my god.
But without the headphones, you will get an echo. With the Yeti, it is working.
Wow, winning.
Exactly. So that's the difference between those two mics. But this video is all about Rode X and the unboxing experience. How does it sound? How's the sound? Is it better than the 100 version, the most expensive one? I think it's very similar. I like this one. It's way smaller, compact. You can take it for a ride. Yeah, somewhere. It's connected to your smartphone and broadcast somewhere from the field. This is compact size. I love it. Yeah. It's like ready to go on a smartphone. Well, and I think that's all I have. This is just first impression. Full review. Okay, what I will be talking about in the full review? I don't know. Well, maybe the app will be updated. Who knows? Because for now, it's not that great experience. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.